And one of the last movies that I would like to see on Blu-ray in 2012 is Tim Allen's The Shaggy Dog. This movie is really, really hilarious. This movie needs to get a Blu-ray in 2012. This movie is hilarious. I laughed my butt off the entire time, and I don't know. I just think this movie's really awesome. I actually got this DVD through Disney Movie Rewards, and awesome. Well, here's a quick little recap of the movies I would like to see in theaters and on Blu-ray in 2012. The Shaggy Dog, Down Down in Beverly Hills and Ruthless People, the Ace Ventura movies, Super Mario Brothers, Spawn, and as for the theaters, Ice Age Continental Drift, Madagascar 3, Europe's Most Wanted, Snow White and the Huntsman and Mirror Mirror, Journey to the Mysterious Island, and the 3D re-releases of Finding Nemo and Beauty and the Beast. Well, that about does it for this series of video responses, ladies and gentlemen, and I will see you next time. Take care, everybody, and so long.